Be honest, have you ever said I'll fix that bug later and later never came? Yeah, same. If you're searching for a tool that calls out your bad code before your users do, stick around because I tested SonarQube Server and here's the deal. SonarQube Server is basically that strict teammate who reviews every line of your code, but without judging your life choices. It runs deep static analysis on over 35 programming languages, catching bugs, security risks, and messy code before it reaches production. What I personally like is the control. Since it's self-hosted, you decide where your code lives, on-prem or in your own cloud. That's huge if privacy actually matters to you. It scans branches, pull requests, and merges automatically, and the feedback shows up right inside your DevOps workflow. No tab hopping, no guessing. The AI-powered suggestions are surprisingly useful. Instead of just saying this is wrong, it actually points you toward cleaner, safer fixes, saving a lot of debugging time. Is it for beginners? Maybe not. But if you're serious about code, quality, security, and long-term maintainability, SonarQube Server is absolutely worth using. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.